Do you ever sit down to work or study but feel absolutely zero motivation to start? Yet somehow you have endless energy to scroll on your phone for 3 hours straight. You aren't lazy, you just have a dopamine problem. Your brain craves dopamine, and your phone provides an instant massive supply of it with zero effort. Compared to that digital high, doing hard work or studying feels painfully boring to your brain. So, how do you fix this and get your drive back instantly? You need a dopamine detox. Take your phone and lock it away in another room. Allow yourself to be completely bored for just 1 hour. No screens, no music, no distractions. By starving your brain of cheap entertainment, your dopamine receptors slowly hit the reset button. Suddenly, doing your actual work becomes the most interesting thing in the room. Try it today. If you want to know better and live better, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. See you in the next one.